Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes perfectly round and fluffy every time. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring your baking powder is active for maximum fluffiness. Next, combine your wet and dry ingredients gently. Remember, a few lumps in the batter are actually a good sign, indicating you haven't overmixed it. Finally, let your batter rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax and the leavening agents to activate properly. Achieving the right batter consistency is crucial. If your batter seems too thick, add a tablespoon of milk at a time until it's pourable but still substantial. Next, preheat your griddle to a consistent medium-low heat, ideally around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents burning and ensures even cooking. For perfectly uniform pancakes, use a 1/4 cup measuring scoop for each pancake, dropping it directly onto the hot surface. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface of your pancake and for the edges to appear set, which usually takes about 2 minutes. This is your cue to get ready for the flip. Only flip the pancake once when those bubbles pop and leave small holes that stay open. This indicates the bottom is beautifully golden. Cook the second side for another 1 to 2 minutes until it's also golden brown and cooked through. Once cooked, serve your fluffy, round pancakes immediately with your favorite syrup, fresh fruit, or a dollop of whipped cream. If you're cooking a larger batch, you can keep the finished pancakes warm in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit while you finish the rest. For more great tips and to explore other fantastic deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your perfect pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.